Wow, what a day it was. It was so spectacular. We were busy all day long out at the farm, and it was, you can just wait till the next couple segments after after I make my introduction, and you'll see what we did. We had so much fun. We got a lot done. And I'm surprised that we were able to accomplish as much as we did after the way Gary cleaned up yesterday. Anyway, remember to watch this. We're having tacos tonight because tacos are easy after a long day. Follow us on Gary's Rich Life 1 on Facebook and Gary's Rich Life on YouTube and Instagram. And look at this short clip after we get there. So roll the film. Here we are, the first day of working outside at the farm. As you can see, I got myself the DR Professional Weed Whacker, and we're trying the plastic braided strands first before I go to something stronger. I'm going to try to mow down this area which is between our driveway. I'm going to go ahead and put it down to a rabbit, pull it, and there she blows. It'll be amazing to see what I find in the grass itself. I just got to learn how to do it. In the background, you can see the house. Oh. It just took a little bit for the to get the belt engaged. Now we just take it out in front of this thing. And of course, remember to wear your eye protection and your hearing protection. What? Anyway, looks like it's going to work pretty good. We just got it started, and I'm going to, 1 minute. I'm going to try to clear this out. Gary wants to save that tree, so I'll be sure not to cut the tree. And we're going to get the lawnmower and just kind of make the things presentable. I'm wearing the clothes. Look at that.
You're Farmer Ted.
I'm Farmer Rich.
Farmer Rich.
And
definitely have the costume for it.
And this is to protect me from all the poison ivy. Last night I was over here and my leg started to itch, so I said, uh-oh, better get my long pants on. And what better to do than to wear comfortable clothes like coveralls. Anyway, we're going to finish up. We're going to wait for the people to come look at the foundation. And remember to like us, follow us at Gary's Rich Life 1, remember the 1, and Instagram and YouTube, Gary's Rich Life. Bye.